You want to see Grandma too? Let me go find Grandma. Where does Grandpa live?
Mecca, who's that? Who's that?
Papa. Papa, Grandma.
Okay,
Grandma.
let's go find Grandma, okay? Who's this?
This.
Chris, you're right. Who's that?
Us.
Who?
Horse.
Horse. And who else? Who's with the horse?
Shaki.
Huh?
Shaka. Shaki.
It's Chris.
This.
Who's that?
Maka.
No, it's Mama. It's Mama. I know I could be confused, but it's Mama. Who's this? Who's this? Huh? Who's this?
Uncle.
You're right, it's Uncle.
Uncle Chad, right?
Let's see. Did you see who's this over here?
Papa.
And then next to Grandpa is who?
Grandma.
Right. Let's see if we can get a closer picture. You see? Who's that?
Grandma.